Ever wondered what those numbers on your engine oil bottle really mean? From 5W30 to OW20, choosing the right engine oil is crucial for your vehicle's health and performance. But with so many options, it's easy to get confused. Don't worry, CodeMechanic is here to demystify it all. At its core, engine oil viscosity is about its resistance to flow. Think of it as how thick or thin the oil is. This property changes with temperature, which is why oil grades have two numbers. The W stands for winter, indicating the oil's viscosity at cold temperatures. The second number represents its viscosity at normal operating temperatures, when the engine is hot. Now, let's decode the most common types. Starting with 5W30, this is a balanced performer, offering good protection in various conditions and suitable for many engines. Next, we have 5W20. This oil is thinner, designed for better fuel economy. It's often specified for modern engines, or in certain climates where its lighter consistency is beneficial. Finally, OW2. This is an ultra-thin oil, offering maximum fuel efficiency and superior cold start protection. Many newer vehicles specifically require OW20 due to their precise engineering. Side by side, you can see how each oil type is engineered for specific engine needs. So, why do these differences matter so much? Using the correct oil directly impacts engine wear. It also significantly affects your fuel economy and overall vehicle performance. Always adhere strictly to your manufacturer's recommendations found in your owner's manual. Using an unsuitable oil type can lead to increased friction, reduced efficiency, and even costly engine damage. In summary, understanding engine oil viscosity is key to maintaining your vehicle. Always check your owner's manual for the precise oil specification your car needs. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to CodeMechanic, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more automotive insights from CodeMechanic.